Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Ahaslides for polls and quizzes for beginners. So as you can see here, this is where you will be directed after you log in or sign up. Here on home is an overview of your things like presentation, your recent presentation, popular templates, and notifications. On the left side, you can see my presentations. Here you can see all of your presentations. You can even add a folder to compile it and import some presentation. Next is the templates. As you can see here, you have a lot of templates to choose from. You can choose here anything you want. You have training, classroom ice breaks, team building, meetings, onboarding, fun and trivia, staff check-in, and many other categories. Next is the shared with me. You can see here the templates or the presentations that is shared with you. Next is my plan. You can see here your current plan. As you can see, my current plan is on free. You can have here the essential, pro, and enterprise. Next is the integrations. You can connect here your PowerPoint, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom. Next is the add team member. You can click on this if you want to add a team member. So let's create a presentation for example. If you click on that blank X, you can see here, you can add from quiz, pick answer, pick image. For example, pick answer. Here you can input your question. You can add a option here. Click on add. For a fourth option, click here. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Let's put here, for example, 1 plus 3. There you go. Next one, you can add here the leaderboard. After you've done that, you can click on preview to preview it. For example, this one, just wait for it to load up. And there you go. There you go, you can see here. You can submit it. And that's basically it.